Every single day, millions of people waste hours in the kitchen, chopping, stirring, cleaning, waiting, not because cooking is hard, but because they're using the wrong tools. What if I told you that the right cooking gadgets can literally give you your time back? Less effort, less mess, faster meals. Today, I am showing you 15 Amazon cooking gadgets that are not gimmicks. These are real, practical tools that actually save time in real kitchens for real people.
Gadgets number 15, electric can opener. Let's start simple but powerful. This hands-free electric can opener attaches to the top of the can, cuts smoothly around the lid, and stops automatically. No twisting, no hand strain, no sharp edges. It is perfect when you are cooking fast, multitasking, or even when your hands are wet or tired. You press one button, walk away, and the can opens itself. It may sound small, but when you cook daily, this saves time and effort every single day.
Gadgets number 14, rapid egg cooker. Boiling eggs sounds easy until you overcook them, undercook them, or wait too long. This rapid egg cooker solves all of that. Add water, place your eggs, press a button, and walk away. You get perfect soft-boiled, medium, hard-boiled, or even poached eggs every time. No guessing, no watching the stove, no cracked shells. For breakfast, meal prep, or salads, this gadget saves time and removes stress. Gadgets number 13, adjustable mandoline slicer. Cutting vegetables evenly takes skill and time. A mandoline slicer turns that job into seconds. Slice potatoes, onions, cucumbers, carrots, and more with perfect thickness every time. The adjustable blade lets you switch between thin slices, thick cuts, and julienne styles instantly. What used to take 10 minutes with a knife now takes less than one. Faster prep means faster cooking and cleaner results. Gadgets number 12, electric salt and pepper grinder set. This may look fancy, but it is incredibly practical. With one-hand operation, you can season your food instantly while cooking. No twisting, no mess, no stopping what you're doing. Many sets even come with adjustable grind levels and LED lights so you can see exactly how much you're adding. Small detail, big time saver, especially when cooking multiple dishes.
Gadgets number 11, silicone stretch lids. Silicone stretch lids may look simple, but they quietly eliminate one of the biggest time wasters in the kitchen, searching for the right lid. These flexible lids stretch over bowls, plates, pots, pans, cut fruits, and even odd-shaped containers that never seem to have a matching cover. Instead of transferring food into another container or wrapping it with plastic, you stretch, seal, and store instantly. The airtight seal helps keep food fresh longer, reducing repeat cooking and food waste. They are microwave-safe, freezer-safe, dishwasher-safe, and reusable, which means no tearing foil, no wasting plastic wrap, and no cleanup frustration. Once you start using them, you realize how much time you were losing just trying to find a lid. Gadgets number 10, automatic pan stirrer. This gadget feels like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen. The automatic pan stirrer sits directly inside your pan and continuously stirs sauces, soups, gravies, and curries without you standing there. Foods that normally burn when you look away are now safely stirred at a steady pace. While it works, you can prep vegetables, wash dishes, or even step away briefly. It prevents sticking, burning, and uneven cooking, which means fewer mistakes and no restarting recipes. For anyone who multitasks or cooks complex meals, this single gadget can save dozens of minutes every day. Gadgets number 9, digital kitchen scale. A digital kitchen scale speeds up cooking in ways most people do not expect. Instead of measuring cups and spoons, you place one bowl on the scale, zero it, and add ingredients directly. This reduces dishes, saves cleaning time, and increases accuracy instantly. For baking, precision means fewer failed recipes. For meal prep, it means faster portioning. Many scales switch between grams, ounces, and pounds with one button, removing mental math completely. Once you get used to it, measuring feels effortless and incredibly fast.
Gadgets number 8. Electric food chopper. Manual chopping is one of the most time-consuming kitchen tasks. An electric food chopper turns minutes into seconds. Onions, garlic, peppers, nuts, herbs, and even cooked meat can be chopped evenly with a single press. No crying from onions, no uneven knife cuts, and no sore hands. This gadget is perfect for daily cooking, meal prep, and quick sauces. Cleanup is also faster because most parts are dishwasher safe. It is one of those tools that quietly speeds up every single recipe. Gadgets number 7. Over-the-sink cutting board. This cutting board transforms your sink into extra counter space. You can rinse vegetables, chop them, and push scraps directly into the sink or trash without moving. It keeps your workspace clean and organized, especially in small kitchens. No messy counters, no clutter, no back and forth movement. When prep is faster and cleaner, cooking becomes smoother and more enjoyable. It feels like upgrading your kitchen layout without remodeling.
Gadgets number 6. Oil sprayer bottle. Pouring oil usually means too much oil, extra wiping, and more cleanup. An oil sprayer gives you instant, even coverage with one squeeze. It speeds up cooking because you control exactly how much oil you use. Perfect for frying, baking, air frying, grilling, and roasting. Less oil also means faster cooking and easier cleaning afterward. Small tool, but it saves time every single meal. Gadgets number 5. Microwave pasta cooker. This gadget eliminates stove watching completely. Add pasta and water, microwave, and it cooks evenly without boiling over. No stirring, no draining heavy pots, no hot steam burns. Perfect for busy days, dorms, offices, or fast dinners. It also reduces cleanup to almost nothing. When you need food fast, this gadget delivers without stress. Gadgets number 4. Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer. Guessing meat doneness wastes time and ruins meals. This thermometer gives accurate results in seconds. No cutting meat open, no waiting, no second guessing. Whether it's chicken, beef, fish, or steak, you get perfect results every time. That means faster cooking, no redoing meals, and no food waste. Professional kitchens rely on this for a reason. Gadgets number 3. Stackable food storage containers. Time is often wasted just finding ingredients. Stackable, transparent containers let you see everything instantly. They keep food fresh, organized, and easy to access. Meal prep becomes faster, leftovers are easier to manage, and your fridge stays clean. When everything has a place, cooking flows smoothly without interruptions. Gadgets number 2. Electric pressure cooker. This is one of the biggest time-saving gadgets ever made. It replaces multiple appliances and cooks food up to 70% faster. Tough meats become tender in minutes. Beans cook without soaking. Rice cooks perfectly every time. With preset buttons, you just add ingredients and press start. Less supervision, less cleanup, and faster meals make this a true kitchen upgrade. Gadgets number 1. High-speed immersion blender. An immersion blender saves time before, during, and after cooking. Blends soups directly in the pot. Makes sauces, smoothies, baby food, and purees instantly. No transferring hot liquids, no bulky blender setup, and no extra dishes. It is fast, powerful, and incredibly convenient. Once you use it, traditional blenders feel slow and unnecessary. So, there you have it. Cooking does not have to be slow, stressful, or exhausting. With the right gadgets, your kitchen becomes faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Every tool you saw today is designed to save time, reduce effort, and help you focus on what really matters, enjoying your food and your life.